Sometimes we are given numbers that don't have the same place values. Listed here are some numbers that look like that. Some have just the ones place, some have the ones and the tenths, and some have the ones, tenths, and hundredths. So we're going to look at how we order these. I like to use a chart with the ones place, the tenths place, and the hundredths place. And don't forget that decimal point. So we're going to go ahead and put these numbers in the chart. Okay, so we'll start with 0.1. Okay, so 0.1. Okay, got that one. We have 0. Got it. 1.01. So 1.01. 1 here. And 0.01. Okay. 0.01. Okay, filled in my chart with the numbers that were listed. Now, remember, if we don't have place values, we can go ahead and put zeros in those place values. Sorry, if we don't have numbers in place values and we're comparing, we can go put zeros in those spots. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in all my decimals, and then 0.1 becomes 0.10. 0 becomes 0.00. That stays the same, 1.00, and then that one stays the same. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and look at comparing. So if we're going from least to greatest, we can start in the ones place. So we see 3 numbers that have a 0 in them. Those are obviously smaller than the ones place. So we're going to look at these 3 numbers first. So this one, and this one. Okay, so when I look at these 3 numbers, I need to move to the right now. So I go to the tenths place. With these 3 numbers, I see a 1, a 0, and a 0. Okay, for these 2 that have the 0 in the the tenths place, we're going to go ahead and move again to the right, and we see a 0 and a 1. To find which one is least, we look at that final place value, which is the hundredths place, and we see that 0 is less than 1. So this number is going to be our least number out of all of those. So that's 0. 0.00. Okay, so that one is done. Because the last number we were comparing this one to was this one, we know that that one becomes next in our order from least to greatest. So here we have 0.01 next in our order. Cross that one off. And since this is the last number we were comparing with 0 in the ones place, we know that this one will come next. So over here, we're going to go ahead and list 0.10. Okay. Those are the ones we started with. So now we're here with the ones that have the 1 in the ones place. We're going to move over to the right. We have a 0 and a 0, so we move to the right again. We have a 1 and a 0. The one that is least is this one because 0 is less than 1, so that means that this number comes next in our order. So 1.00, which leaves this one as our greatest number, 1.01. Now, as you notice, I crossed off when I was done so that I knew that I didn't have to worry about that number anymore. It helps to look at the place values so you know which one you are at and what order we are looking at. Let's try one on your own.